What's up everybody? This is going to be an educational video. I'm going to show you what the inside of your engine looks like when you don't change your oil. I don't care how many miles it says you can go, change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or it will begin to look like this, especially if you just keep driving, I don't know, say 10,000 miles, or you just, add oil whenever it gets low and the light comes on. This is what happens. Let's go take a look. We're working on a 2010 Dodge Charger. It's got a 2.7 V6. Absolutely terrible motor. But either way, you can see the absolute buildup and crap inside this engine. That's what happens when the oil breaks down after not being changed. It basically turns into tar. And it clogs everything up, like your timing tensioners. That way when you start your engine and it rattles first thing in the morning and then goes away pretty quick, that's because your timing chain tensioner has gone bad, and it's generally because people don't change their oil. There's tiny oil passages, little holes that feed oil, and they get clogged up. Now, you can see right here, I've already scraped the top of one of them off. But you can see over here what it looks like. You can't even see it. Like right here. There's a hole under there. You can see the hole here. And this is what the camshafts look like. These are the caps that hold the camshafts on, and you can just see how disgusting they are. So, by all means, change your oil.